Good morning. So, this morning we were going to Caye Caulker. We really enjoyed San Ignacio and we really enjoyed where we're staying. Now we are just getting ready, gonna have breakfast, showers, that sort of thing. We will be getting the public bus, and we'll go wait at the bus stop, wait for a public bus to go past towards Belize City. Once we're in Belize City, we will have to either walk 20 minutes to the boat, onto the water taxi area, or we will have to get a taxi. Now, everyone says it is just a straight 20-minute walk, but also a lot of people say it's like Belize City is not the best in terms of safety. So whether it's just worth spending the money, we don't know. We haven't decided yet. We will try and fill the buses. However, if yesterday was anything to go by, they're quite busy going that way. So we may not get a seat. It's a good 3-4 hours, so I'm not going to push. I'd rather try and get a seat and not film it then. But yeah, so yeah, that's the plan. Should be good. We're there for 4 days, 4 nights, 5 nights, something like that. We leave for Mexico after that. Our plans there are fairly chill. We're just going to sit, enjoy the beaches, enjoy snorkeling. I want to try and do a dive if I can. Really looking forward to it. Everyone says it's amazing. Hopefully it lives up to the hype, because it has been very, very hyped. But I'm going to enjoy this beautiful view that I'm going to show you. We'll see how it goes. Lovely morning. So we got breakfast, potato omelette, which just looks like it has a full potato in it, but looks quite nice. We gotta eat this though, so we can get it back on the road.
It's like a mild insecticide to it, and it's very lightweight, and it became wildly popular.
Waiting for a bus. Waiting for a bus.
Might be here a while.
Might be here a while. At least we got covered just in case the weather turns, which I don't see happening. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. How long are we in here? 3 hours.
Pulling into the bus terminal.
So we made it to the boat terminal and should get there in time. We're waiting in line now. We got the tickets.
Yeah, straight away. That's straight on the queue.
Sweet.
See, we haven't seen anything else.
Nope. We got the smaller boat, but we're inside. Not what you expect to see on the island. I'm just falling behind in the shadow. Go that way. Hey! So, made it on Caye Caulker. As I said, we dropped off stuff. All checked in, great. Now we're gonna go get some food and decide when we want to go snorkeling. They do offer our place. We had a good chat about her. We might do it there. But yeah, let's go explore. This seems cool. So the ocean that side. And the ocean that side. We're in the middle. Chicken burger. Chicken. Cheese. Here we go. yeah, come down to the split whilst we've been going to go speak to some dive shops. So one thing about Caye Caulker is there's no beach, but there's places to swim, and this is the main one. Obviously there's sand on the ground, so that's fine. And yeah, it's just...
Yeah, so that's it.
Yeah, because this is all part of the same company.
These might. I don't know what's top on them.
Oh no, that's a pelican. We have a few days here though. Hey, bird.
But,
Bird.
oh, okay.
Exciting, I know. We got some coffees. Also, try and decide what I want to do.
Spending money.
Yeah. Also. Hey, windy, so apologies if you can't hear me. Yeah, gonna just check out the last little wisp of sunlight, and then we need to go pack because we booked onto a snorkel tour tomorrow. So yeah, then I also need to decide where I'm diving, because I don't know. I don't know. Or if I'm diving at all. We'll figure it out. Hey,
Hi.
rather windy.
Rather windy on a little dodgy pier. Oh, it's pretty though.
It's very pretty.
Just the end of the sunset.
Yeah. Like, just that last little wisps. Where'd you go? Well, we booked onto a tour tomorrow.
Snorkel tour for tomorrow with the hostel.
Yeah.
So it's too many choices and it was just easy.
Yeah, and now I need to go decide where or if I'm diving. Okay. Hey.
That's under the cheap test, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, we're booked onto a snorkel tour with the backpack, well, with the hostel. So we just thought, get a fairly early night, but I was stressed because I don't know what I'm doing with diving, so I needed to get out. And Alex kind of felt the same. She wanted to get away from me. Yeah, so yeah, we just come out at night because it's not actually late. It's only like 9 p.m.
It's very windy.
Super windy tonight, so tomorrow's gonna be fun.